Can't visit YouTube without swinging by the hub. Welcome back, everybody, where we're showing you the most interesting videos floating around the internet. Stick around as we determine what's worse, his balance or his pink shorts. Our first video today features professional freestyle BMX rider Danny McCaskill, who enlarged the size of a child's room and toys so that he could ride his bike all over it. Some of these tricks are pretty nuts. Why stop at enlarging pencils and playing cards when you could also enlarge dominoes like this, the tallest freestanding domino ever at 56 feet. Not impressed by tall dominoes? How about a lot of them? This is the world record for most dominoes ever tumbled in a single event at 275,000. What could you possibly use a washing machine and playing cards for? Well, how about setting the Guinness World Record for tallest house of cards ever? That was actually done on top of an operating washing machine. Have a look at Mr. Pink Shorts here. He was having a little fun with Red Bull and wanted to try surfing down a sewage spillway. Don't worry, he was fine, but it didn't go very smoothly. How about we take a look at somebody who's actually good at balancing? That would be Mr. Jason Paul here. He is a professional parkour runner, gymnast, artist, a parkour, or whatever it is. He's really good at running and jumping. I want to give a big shout out to B and Haley, who left us comments letting us know that they've turned on their notifications. If you do this, oh my gosh, is he going to jump at? No, I don't know if he's going to, that's a little, wait, no, I knew he was going to make it the whole time. Anyway, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you again right back here really soon on The Hub.